Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back here again. So today we have early winter. We normally don't get snow until like December, but it's only first week. Was it first week? Yeah, first week of November, and it's been 2 days now. But it started to get melting it down. So what I was doing a couple days ago before the snow came is this tire, because a few days ago it was still warm, and I used one of the paint remover, but it seems it doesn't really work well. Here's my key. I don't know, just because probably the temperature, probably. So, well, which one? The one I use? I just want to show it to you guys. The one that I use. So which is this one here. I used this one last time, and then it went everything okay. I think it depends of how old is the paint, and when I used this one, the wheel wasn't. I used it on the aluminum, and it's not rusty and stuff like that. But this one, it's all like rusty, and this tire is just 5 years old only, as you can see. So it came with this one. We bought it, 5 years old. Yeah, it's about 5 years old. 2020. These tires. And the rim also came at the time. It was new. The only problem was we never tried to maintain it, so we'll just drive and go. So what I'm trying to do here right now, because I want to clean this thing out, remove all the paint, remove the rust, and then repaint it. It's lifting up a little bit, but still like gummy. This paint is tough to remove. Oh well. So it does loosen up a little bit, as you can see. So it did. This is my second time to apply the solvent or the remover. It did work a little bit. Alright, so we got the tires here, so we're gonna do some torching. So we're gonna clean up here a little bit. Alright, so let's try to torch it. Alright, so let's continue our project. So what we're trying to do here, we're not trying to do it like really, we're not trying to bring it back to like professionally, because if you want to do that, then we have to remove the wheel. and sanded out everything. But I mean, this is a cheap steel wheel, so we're just gonna uh, just try to prevent of getting more rust. So since it's already started, well, not started, but since it's already rusty, right? So we're just gonna clean it out, remove all the rust, right? And then that's it. So what we did earlier, uh, we torch it. We use that one, but just be careful of torching it. Just be careful of overheating it, because you don't want to burn the rubber. Right. So next thing now I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use the brush. I use my drill. So let's see. All right, so right now I soak it, I brush it out with the distilled vinegar. It's right there. And then I'm just gonna brush it out more with the wire brush. So we're not gonna go crazy with this one, because unless if the tar is not there, then we can sand it down properly. But since we are not able to remove the tire, so we're just gonna remove as much as we can only. And I'm not gonna go crazy with this, so we're just gonna do we're just gonna paint it with, I thought about painting it with the underbody coating, because if we paint this one with the with the wheel paint, those, see, roughness is gonna show, right? It's just gonna be rough. In order to remove those, we have to sand it down, not just wire brush, right? So if we sand it down, no, we're not gonna go with that one anymore, because we're just gonna try to prevent it with getting more rust, and that's it. All right, so we're just gonna do a little more cleaning, and that's it. Let's see the other one. All right, then now we're gonna clean it with the vinegar, white vinegar. Well, let's wash it out first with water, and then we'll clean it with the vinegar. All right, okay dokie, this is ready to go. So instead of taping it, we made this shield. And just slide it in like that, and then paint it. So what I picked up is I picked up the tremclad oil-based one. I choose the oil-based one because it's more durable. Again, this is not really for the wheel, right? If you want like more better, this is not the proper one. But I just use this because we're not trying to keep the wheel, right? Once the rubber is gone, we're just gonna let it go. We're just gonna buy another one. But I'm pretty sure this one will stay for a while. Yeah. All right, one's finished. Okay, so we're all done. So inside and outside. So I did the inside part too. It's not the best, but at least right now it will be looks clean for a while. All right, thanks again for watching.